Hey guys, welcome back to another video. What you're looking at here is a stock trading at just a fifth of 1 penny, and it could seriously be the play of the century. Hey, what is going on, guys? Now, this is going to be a very important and special episode, but before we talk about why, drop a like on the video so we can get more people excited about penny stocks, and then we can all make a little bit more money. With all that out of the way, we're going to talk about MMEX Resources Corporation. Their stock ticker is MMEX. There's just so much going on with this very small stock, causing it to have some insane volatility and volume. Now, as you may have already noticed, this stock was up 61% yesterday, but that's nothing compared to what it can do, because this stock has already made jumps from just trading at 1/10 of a penny all the way up to 2.5 cents. To be precise, that's about a 2,500% increase, and if you take a look at the actual numbers, it's even higher. Now, this was all based off hype that it was going into the clean energy sector, specifically dealing with solar power. Now, if you didn't know, ever since Joe Biden's inauguration, there's been a huge push for better and greener infrastructure. So that's why solar stocks were absolutely huge in February and what allowed them to go up this much. These stocks are going to be very relevant for the next 4 years. So yesterday, what happened was that this company that nobody really knows about announced that it's making some very big moves. They've now revealed that they're working on their first solar power hydrogen and carbon capture project, which was huge for this stock, but it's actually still very cheap. As you can see, they have a market cap of just 61 million, indicating that this is a very small company. That's why they're actually called micro cap companies. So if you actually care about returns and that sort of stuff, you should definitely keep MMEX on your radar right now, because it might just make a huge move again. And I'm actually gonna give this stock my rating and see if this is something worth buying, so stick around till the end to find out what I think. But before I can responsibly do that, we're gonna run you through some important metrics that you need to know about. Pay attention, because this is actually the most important part of the video. Like I mentioned before, this is a very small company, and right now the volume that it's trading at is absolutely insane, getting close to 1 billion. So the most important thing that you should know, as far as we're aware, this company is not generating any sort of revenue, and they're actually in about $2 million of debt. However, this kind of data is relatively old in terms of finance, but that's not actually relevant to us making some money on the stock, which we've seen is obviously possible. On top of that, these sorts of stocks are very open for outside funding, so if we put aside all of that, this stock can still definitely see a lot of growth with the direction the market is going, and it's actually very, very cheap. So if we'd have to give this stock a rating, we'd give it a 72 out of 100 because of the sector that it's in, the moves that it has made previously, and a lot of people already know about this stock. We're definitely very excited to see where this could go, but do keep in mind that stocks are likely going to face a correction on the short term after they've gone up over 50%, and those kinds of corrections are obviously a lot bigger when you're dealing with companies this cheap. So that is by far the hottest penny stock on the market today, and if you want to catch these amazing opportunities directly when they come up, be sure you're subscribed to the channel because we create them every day. With that being said, if you made it all the way to the end of this video, I want to say that I really, really appreciate you, and I'll see you in the next one.